Arc Aerial provides an array of aerial services, and one of them is 2D mapping, where we create high-resolution orthomosaic maps using drone photography, where we stitch together images to create high-resolution 2D maps that midstream and upstream firms can use to kind of see the lay of the land over their pipelines or their facilities. Whether you're on the capital projects team and wanting to document construction, or if you're on the operation or compliance perspective, being able to have high-resolution imagery provides a lot of clarity on your existing asset. Operational teams will use our high-resolution imagery to look at the updates on facilities. So if a new facility is adding pieces of equipment, the current provided imagery is not up to date. So having a company like us come in and provide high-resolution images, then they have an up-to-date or live view of what's exactly inside the fence or along a route. Arc Aerial's 2D mapping can also be applied for terminals and well pads or compressor stations, all sorts of different facilities. Being able to have high-resolution imagery on those small-scale sites, but a large number, provides a lot of clarity for the management teams to be able to see an array of sites up to date in real time.
Overall, I'm just really excited about where we're headed. We're staying on the leading edge of both the hardware and the processing. And so what that means for our customers is more data at scale, larger assets, longer right-of-ways, and now with our Beyond Visual Line of Sight waiver, just really excited to show what we've got coming down the line next.